All right, so you're back on MX24, and as you can see, we're in December. There are a lot of events that have been slated for December, and like we do it on MX24, we like to bring you up close with the organizers and whatever organization that is behind every event. And today with me in the studios, I have Kojo from the RIVERFEST 2022 Festival. Kojo, you're welcome to MX24.
Thank you very much.
How was your morning?
It's been a good one.
It's been a good one.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just going to delve right into it. Now, we are hearing RIVERFEST. Ideally, I personally haven't heard of RIVERFEST before. So when I heard RIVERFEST, I decided to go and kind of like snoop around, research, and get to know what RIVERFEST is all about. But I have you here, and then we have our viewers watching. So we want to know, what is RIVERFEST 2022? Give us a personal based understanding of what the entire event is about.
Okay, thank you very much for having us here. And this is actually the maiden event of the RIVERFEST, and it's happening from the 16th to 18th of December. And it's actually an event to promote our culture and also bring together a fusion of culture and our party people where they can connect with others and have a proper party time along the river.
Along the river.
Yeah.
Now that you mentioned the river, that brings me to the location of the event. Why did you choose Ada?
Yeah, so as we know now, Ada is more like the party home for Greater Accra.
Yes, that is true.
Yeah, so you see all the party events happening in Ada now, and it's part of GTA, Ghana Tourism Authority, like the plan to promote our tourist sites, especially the places that are less known. And you see, Ada is a very serene environment, and it's very good for relaxing, and it's attracting both local and foreign tourists over there and all that. So I mean, it's a good location for this maiden event.
Funny you mentioned tourism, because when I was reading about RIVERFEST, I saw something that had to do with residential and non-residential patrons, where they're saying that residential patrons can come from Saturday to Sunday, Friday to Sunday, and then non-residential patrons can come from Saturday to Sunday.
Right.
I may understand, but I also...
You seem to know much about the
event.
event.
I mean, I had to. When I heard RIVERFEST, I was like, it seems like a very exciting event.
Right.
So tell us.
Yeah, so we have special packages for the event. So we have VIP, we have VVIPs, and we have the regular and the one for everybody. Oh, okay. So actually, we've made it in such a way that everybody can attend. So we've got very affordable packages, and from Friday, we have those that wants to come and sleep over. They are actually the residentials, and those that just want to come and have fun and go back, those are the non-residential. So we gave packages for both the residentials and non-residential. So we have very cool, like 200 CDs tickets.
Oh wow!
Yes, 200 CDs.
And on what does the 200 tickets entail?
The 200 CDs, it gives you access to the event on the 17th, which is a Saturday.
Which is the Saturday.
Yes. So on Saturday with 200 CDs, you have access to the whole party place. So with the residential, that's where we have the VIPs and the VVIPs. So we have packages going for 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and those are packages where you can have accommodation for both nights. And the VVIP comes with a massage,
wow.
I mean,
wow.
Yeah. Then you have a pool ride, a boat ride. You have access to the nightclub. You have 30 minutes massage. You have buffet, and when you go to the club too, you have your
I'm beginning to believe that the VIP package seems like a really cool deal. I mean, if you want to get the entire thing, you should totally go for the VIP package.
So if you are here and you want to party, your partner shouldn't leave you in Accra.
Yes,
your partner should definitely bring you to the party. If he doesn't bring you, then maybe God.
I don't have a partner though, but we'll see. We'll see. Well, thank you. You've explained the packages for us, and I am grateful for that. But we want to know, is there any kind of qualification for people that are coming to, like,
for the event?
For the event, do we have people that or who qualifies to come to RIVERFEST 2022, or is like a general thing? Once you're able to pay for your package, you're allowed to come in, or there's some age restrictions, anything like that?
So RIVERFEST is carved for everyone. So if you're a family person, if you're an individual, single, married, or whatever, it's open to everyone. As long as you want to connect and have fun and party and all that, yeah, it's open to everyone.
It's open to you.
Yeah.
A couple of months ago, we had a couple of events here in Accra, and then we had people coming online to talk about the security situation. What is the security situation for RIVERFEST?
RIVERFEST is one of the most secured events you would ever attend because we've actually thought and talked about it. It's well planned, and we're actually prepared for everyone coming. So you can come in your numbers, feel relaxed, and you don't have to worry about any threat, security, or whatever. So we've got a mix of our security, the national security, and all that. So I mean, everything is being taken care of.
You know, the reason why I asked that because usually when we have events where artists are billed to perform, there is a lot of issues that come after it, like my phone goes spoiled, people attacked me, and all of those things. That is why I asked that. Funny, I mentioned artists. Who are the artists built to perform for RIVERFEST 2020?
Okay, so RIVERFEST is having some very special artists on the bill. Yeah, we have Adam. Yeah.
Wow.
Adam, go get him. Yeah, he's on. Yeah, we have Sister Foah.
Sister Foah.
Yeah, we have Episode. Yeah, we have Strongman Banner. Yeah, and we have lots of other artists on the bill. Yeah.
Now, if you're a fan of Adam, Sister Foah, Strongman, you need to come through. It seems like RIVERFEST
it's fully
for a maiden edition. This is a lot to I mean, put out, and then a lot for people to take in.
Yeah, and we have some local artists from Ada also performing. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And we have some. I don't want to put out everything. Just come.
Just come and come and experience.
And feel the vibe, because there is a Calypso bit of it. You know that it's dubbed the Ada Calypso.
Yes, right? I was about to ask. I saw the Ada Calypso. Please explain. Me, I don't understand Calypso.
Yeah,
I don't understand.
So Calypso is a rhythm, and the rhythm is the theme for our event, right? So when you come, you're going to feel the vibe with the Calypso and all that. So we have special artists performing.
And they are coming from Ada.
There are some from Ada, and there are some special surprises. I don't want to put
special surprises. A lot of the events this December seem to have a lot of surprise artists on it. But thank you. I mean, we have gotten a lot of information from you. So all I want you to do right now for me is to round up everything. Like, what should we expect at RIVERFEST? Everything we've talked about, just round it up, summarize it for me, and let's go.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about it, but there, what you should expect is on the Friday, we're going to have a bonfire and welcome party.
I've always wanted to experience a bonfire.
Yeah.
I should come through.
Yeah, you should come. So it's a special bonfire and welcome party for our guests that will be staying over. Then we'll have a nightclub session on Friday. So on the Saturday, we'll have, our health is also very important.
Yes.
So we'll do some aerobics in the morning. Then we'll do a walk through the town.
Seems like you guys have thought this entire thing out. And I'm looking at one of the flyers behind you, and I'm seeing that there will be a bike show.
Yes, there is a car show, a bike show. Yeah, and there is a masquerade and samba dancers as well.
Samba dancers?
Yes. And
are they indigenous samba dancers from Ghana here?
I told you it's a surprise.
Oh, okay.
It's a surprise. Yeah, so
all right.
So we have lots of giveaways also. We are involving the people, the locals, the indigents. So we're going to have a canoe race where we're going to give cash prize to the winners, and there are going to be lots of giveaways from our sponsors as well. So it's a whole packed event.
Kojo, this is of course it is an entirely packaged event.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So if you haven't gotten your ticket yet, just pick up your phone, dial *713 *33 *22 #. Grab your ticket now, and let's meet at Ada.
Yeah. Wow, guys, you heard it all here on MX24. I have been talking to Kojo from RIVERFEST, and we've laid down everything to expect at the event come 16th to 18th December. Now, this is one, they said there's a way to party, but this is another way to actually party. So I hope to see you there. Like he said, please repeat how they can purchase their tickets. Yeah, so you just dial *713 *33 *22 #, or you go to riverfestghana.com, where you can get all the details that you need about the event. So grab your ticket. Let's meet in Ada. So now we know that for most of the events, there are sponsors that are always backing it. What are the sponsors for RIVERFEST 22?
Okay, RIVERFEST is a Beyond the Return endorsed event.
Ooh.
So actually, it's being sponsored by Beyond the Return, and we have NLA, who is also sponsoring, and we have Twillium, producers of Rush Drink and
Venom Mineral Water.
Yeah, so those are our sponsors.
We've got 3 huge sponsors, you know.
Right.
That's great. Thank you so much, Kojo, for coming on MX24 to, just open up the entire idea behind RIVERFEST for us. Now, guys, if you ever heard anything about RIVERFEST, you heard it right here. Okay, you heard it from MX24, and we definitely are going to get some tickets for you, for our viewers, right?
Yeah, thanks to Nanaya Mental Click. He's giving out some free tickets.
Okay.
To MX24, so
nice.
Yeah.
So guys, like we have always been telling you, all you need to do is to head into our bio on our social media platforms, click on the link in there, fill in the forms, answer 3 questions only, and then you stand a chance to win free tickets to RIVERFEST 2022 and every other event this December. You don't want to slack on this. What are you waiting for? Just do this. Kojo, thank you so much for coming, and I hope to see you come 16th December.
Yeah. Don't forget, *713.
Yes.
*33 *22.
Or we can visit
riverfestghana.com and grab your ticket.
Visit the riverfestghana.com and grab your ticket. I hope to see you there. Out.